Alright guys, here's another trick. When you don't have help pushing the bouncer, you can use your dolly so the bouncer won't slide when you push, when you're rolling. I'll also put the stakes so to hold the dolly. You can also put some wheel chucks. I just don't have mine with me right now. You can put the wheel chucks and some stakes so to hold the dolly so it won't move around. Alright, so since I'm by myself, I'm gonna start from that side, bring it over here, and the bouncer shouldn't slide. Sometimes they slide because when it rains or the ground is just wet, the bouncer will slide when you are rolling. So that's why this right here will help you when you're by yourself doing it. So let's get started. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is just strap it up, and that's it. Yeah, it is a big roll, but it's all cool. Alright guys, well that's it. We're gonna roll out, going straight to the warehouse. Bouncer is already loaded, and that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.